Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical. And in this video, I am going to show you how to cancel subscription in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to get subscription in Canva, you just simply have to open your Canva application or any of the browser into your device and open Canva into there. Then after opening your Canva account, you just simply have to tap into your profile picture into top right, and after that just simply go to setting. And now after coming to settings section, you will get to see this billing and plans option. Just simply tap into that, and now if you have activated any plans, it will show subscription for your team option, and here will be your current plan. And as you can see here, I haven't subscribed to Canva, so it's showing the Canva free option. But if you have subscribed, it will show your current plan into this page, and you will also get the option of cancel subscription in the place of try Canva Pro. And after tapping into that cancel subscription option, your subscription will successfully be cancelled into Canva. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.